Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to delete all data before selling your iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and you may want to delete all the data because you're planning to sell it. Doing this will make the phone ready for the next user to set it up. It will be just like a new phone from the factory, showing the hello screen so they can start fresh. Also, you don't want to leave your personal data on the device because someone else could access it. So we're going to remove everything and get it ready. Make sure to watch the full guide so you understand each step clearly. First, open the Settings app. Before deleting your data, you should think about backing it up. Once you erase everything, it will be permanently lost unless you have a backup. There are different ways to back up your iPhone. One way is using iCloud, which stores your data online. In Settings, tap on your Apple account at the top, then go to iCloud. You might see limited storage, like 5 GB, so you may need more space if your data is large. Tap on it, scroll down to iCloud Backup, turn on Backup this iPhone, and then tap Backup Now. If you have enough storage, this method works well. Another option is using a computer. On a Windows computer, you can use the Apple Devices app to back up your iPhone. On a Mac, you can do it through Finder. This will save your data on your computer instead of online. After backing up, you can restore your data later on a new iPhone if you want. If you don't need the data, you can skip this step. Once you're ready, go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Then scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, and at the bottom, you will see Erase All Content and Settings. Tap there. It will show a message that erasing will sign you out of your Apple account and remove all your personal data so the iPhone can be safely sold or given away. You'll also see what will be removed, like apps, data, Apple account, Find Me, and Wallet. If you're ready, tap Continue, and then tap Erase iPhone. Enter your passcode, and you may also be asked for your Apple ID password. After that, the reset process will start. It won't take long. When it's done, the iPhone will return to the hello screen, ready for a new user to set it up. All your data will be completely removed. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.